Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So finally, in today's video I have had the opportunity to make this requested video. This is a highly requested video. Some of you have been asking me to show you how to edit videos. So today is the day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you also stick around, watch carefully, and I also hope you learn something from this video. So if you look closely on the screen here, you will see that I've got all my apps. I have my Power Director. I use it to edit videos too, but the one I use most is the KineMaster Pro app, which is this one here. So that is the one I'm going to be teaching you how to edit videos with today. So please stick around. If you find anything confusing, you can always watch this video over and over again so you can get what I said or what I did. And I also want to put it out there that I don't know all the names of what some of the things in this KineMaster Pro editing app, but trust me, I know how they all work. Like every single one of them, I know how they work. And again, once you download this app, I will advise you to always play around with it, always visit it and play around with it. That is the only way you get to master this app, and you get to learn a lot, because this app has a lot of professional tools in it. That is why it's called KineMaster Pro. And please, if you have any question, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. I will get to it and I will try my best to answer your questions. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to download the KineMaster Pro app, which means you have to go to your Play Store app and download it. Whether you are using iPhone or Android, I'm using Android phone. Right now I'm using my tablet, Huawei. That's what I'm using. So click on your Play Store app, and then here you get to type in your KineMaster. Just type in KineMaster. Okay, it's already there, as you can see on the top there. Just tap on it. It will bring you somewhere here. There you get to download the app. As you can see, I already downloaded the app. That's why you can see here it says uninstall and open. So if I had not downloaded the app, the thing you will see here is install. So for you that is new to this app, you will see install. Just click on the install and you download the app. That's basically it. It is as simple as that. Now this app is a free app, and it is also a paid app. If you want to use this app for free, that means you will have all their watermarks in all your videos. Like whenever you publish a video on YouTube, you will see made with KineMaster. But if you don't want to be seeing that in your videos, and if you also want to get all the professional tools that comes along with this app, then you will have to pay for it. It's either you pay monthly or you pay annually. For me, I am paying annually, and I paid about 30 something euro as of then, but now it is on offer for 28 euros plus. So you can decide which one you want to go for. So once you download your app, you will see it on your home screen. Then tap on the KineMaster app again. Then it will bring you here. This is the first screen you get to see once you click on the app. Here you have your your basic tools. You can go through them one after the other to see how they work. So we are not going to be going there. We are not going to be touching any of them except for the big circle in the middle. So we can go straight to editing. On your own personal time, you can go through one of them and see how they all work. So once it brings you here, you click on that plus sign, and it will bring you here where it says select aspect ratio. So if you are making YouTube videos, you must use 16:9 and not 9:16 or 1:1. You must use, I repeat, 16:9, which is what almost everybody on YouTube uses. So we are going to be clicking on that. And it will bring us here. This is where all the magic happens. So guys, please, I want to also say that we might not be able to finish all the editing today. We might stop somewhere today and continue some other time. You know why I'm saying this is because I've made this video two times. This is the third time I'm making this video. So the second one I made, it got to a certain point and it started lagging because of the app I'm using to record this video. It doesn't really have enough quality or enough space to carry a long durational video. So I had to delete it and start all over again. So that's why I'm saying that we might stop somewhere today and start some other time. But trust me, you are going to still learn how to edit this video, okay? So once you come here, down here you have your timeline. And by your right hand corner, you have all your editing tools. By your left hand side corner, you have all your editing tools as well. Those ones come in very handy as well. So once you're here, the first thing you want to look at is the background, like the screen, and read everything written on it. That is the easiest way you can be able to get used to this app. So here, as you can see, we have our undo. That is dead now because we've not added any clip on the timeline. Once you add any clip here, it will come alive. You have your redo, you have your share button, you have your, this place is also a tool you can use to work with. When you start working with this app, then you will know what that place is mainly used for. You have your large screen view, and then you have your navigation button. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know. Like I said before, I don't know all their names. Please, you have to bear with me. But trust me, I promise to try my best to explain things the way you will understand it. And by your right hand side corner, you have this little icon that looks like home. That is where you get some or most of your editing tools as well, like music, font, text, transitions, and all of that good stuff. And here you have your play button. On the top here you have your exit. Here you have your media, layer, voice, and audio. That is basically what we have here. Now, before we start editing, you must have recorded a video either with your phone or with an actual camera. So once you are done recording your video, just slot in or insert your memory card in your phone, which I'm going to be showing you how to do. I will just insert some clips for you to see what I'm talking about. Once you've inserted your you've filmed your video or you've recorded your video, you've also inserted your memory card. Now it is time to start editing. So the first place you want to click on is the media. Once you click the media, it will bring you to somewhere here. This is where you get all your pictures, your videos, everything you've recorded, you've screenshotted, like basically everything is. This is where you get to find them. So for this video today, I'm going to be working with this particular one right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, the video will automatically drop in your timeline, just tap on the clip and you will see this yellow bar that surrounds the clip. Now, here is where you decide if you want the audio or if you want to remove the audio of the video. But first, I'm going to insert my intro, because before I start any of my videos, I like to insert my intro. So to insert my intro, I'll click on that media again. Click on it. I'll look for where I stored my intro and just tap on it. It will automatically drop in the timeline or on the timeline. Just tap on the clip again, and here is my intro. I'm going to reduce the volume because it's too high when I play it. So you tap on the volume icon there and then I'm going to bring it low to 70%. And now I want to put a transition between these two clips, the intro and the main video itself. So what I'll do is I'll tap on this white little box here, and it will bring me to where I have all my transitions. Now, if you don't have any already, because I've downloaded some that I like, that's why you can see them here. If I'm scrolling up and down, you can see them. There are many here. But if you want to get more, or if you don't have any at all, just click on get more. Once you click on get more, it will bring you here. Here is where you get to select different types of transitions. They have many of them here. Just scroll and select any. You play it to see how it works before you actually download it. This is how this one works. Can you see that? So I'm going to go back now. Sorry guys. So if I'm satisfied with this one, what I will do is I will hit that download button up there. It will start downloading, and once it finishes, it will say installed. Now let's go back by clicking on that X button on top of the right hand corner here. So it's downloaded now, and this is it at the bottom here. Can you see it? It says paint wipe. So I'm going to click on it and then select whichever one I want, maybe like this one. You see how it transitions from the intro to the main video. Now, as you can see, the transitioning has a very long duration, and I don't like it. If you scroll through these numbers here, you will see how long they are. This is 8.0 now. It's very, very slow, like it's super slow, and that's not what you want. So I'm going to move back to 1.0, which is the one I normally use. This is the one I want. Tap on the screen, anywhere on the screen, and it will bring you back here. So if you play this video now, you will see how it transitions. Just watch carefully. Okay guys, I think we should end. You see how it transitioned. Now you can decide whether to leave the volume of this video or to take the volume down. If you want to remove the volume entirely, just tap on the clip. Any clip you want to work with, tap on it and it will bring all your tools. Then you can select whichever one you want. You see, if I'm scrolling up and down, you see many of them here. So I want to remove the sound now. I'm going to tap on the volume button here and then tap here. It will take down the volume. Like this video has no sound anymore. Let's play it again so you can hear it. Just tap anywhere on the screen and it will go away. And tap on the play button. Stop. Can you see it doesn't have any sound again? And another thing, tap on the clip again. You see that if you want to begin a video, you will see yourself trying to hit the record button. So you want to cut that part off because you don't want people to see you where you are pressing the record button. So here I'm trying to sit well to, if I'm moving this thing around, you will see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to start from where I'm about to open my mouth. You see, oh, my mouth is already open, so I'm going to tap on the clip. Now I want to trim this part off. What I'm going to do is I'll click on this scissors button right here on top here. Just tap on it and you get your different ways of trimming. This is just trimming and cutting your clips. So I'm going to go for the first one, which is this one, and it will trim off. So let's see how it goes again. And by the way, I'm going to turn back the volume so you can see. Tap on the clip volume button, tap on that place again so it will come alive. Now let's play.
Okay guys, I think we should end this.
You see, that's exactly how it works. Now in the middle of this video, if you leave it to keep playing along, you will find out that sometimes we make mistakes. We try to say something right in the process of the video, and those parts that you see that you made a mistake, or any part you feel like you don't want, you can cut it off. Simply, let's say maybe here I don't like here, let me play it to see where I want to cut off. I will tap on it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Tap on it, it will stop right there immediately. Tap on the scissors again. You will see trim to left of playhead, trim to right of playhead, split at playhead. I'm going to split at playhead. Click on it. It will split into two. Can you see that this video now, this clip now has turned into two clips? So in order to remove this part that I don't want, what I will do is from here I'll press the play button again to see where I want to remove. Let's press the play button.
My husband will soon leave for work because he's still on night shift, so he will soon leave for work.
So he will soon leave for work. I'll pause it right there and tap on the clip again. Tap on the scissors and then tap on the trim to left of playhead, which is that first one up there. You see that when I tap on it, it will automatically trim it off. So you will no longer hear that my husband is on night shift anymore. Watch what happens now when I play it.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
You see? Now, if you want to put a transition here as well, just tap on that little box there. It will bring you to where you have all your transitions. So for this one now, I normally go for classic transitions, which is this one here. And then I also like to use Crossfade, which is this one. Now, you see that when you add it, look what happens. The duration is long. So now listen. You see, it's not good at all. So I'm going to tap on that little box again and then bring it down to here. You can take it all the way to the end, but I always like to use the second one before the 0.5. If you use the 0.5, it will not still be good. You have to play around with it to see which one you prefer. So I'm going to leave it here on the second one. Now let's play it again.
Guys enjoyed today's vlog. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to.
So that is it for cutting or trimming your clips and adding transitions. When I come back next time, we will start from where we stopped.